Hello students, we'll see today our first problem on partners capital method. So there is our first problem number 1, that is Anand and Bharat are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. On 1st April 2019, the capital balance are Anand rupees 60,000 and Bharat rupees 30,000. Their drawings are rupees 12,000 and 10,000 respectively. Interest on drawings is 12% per annum. Anand gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month and Bharat is entitled to get commission and 3% on net sales, which is rupees 5 lakh. The firm profit is rupees 60,000. Prepare partners capital account for the year ended 31st March 2019. We have to make a partners capital account as per two methods, that is fixed capital method and the next is fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method we have to make a two accounts, that is a partners capital account and next is partners current account, and in fluctuating capital method we have to make only one account, that is partners capital account only. Okay, so now we are going to see our first problem. See, Anand and Bharat are partners sharing profit and losses. Now see, Anand and Bharat, they both are partners. They are sharing them profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3, means 2 is the ratio of Anand and 3 is the ratio of Bharat. Okay, now on 1/4/2019, the capital balance are Anand rupees 60,000 and Bharat rupees 30,000. Okay, so before we are starting to solve our problem, let's see how to make a account. See, in fixed capital method we have to make a two accounts, that is partners capital account and partners current account. Okay, so partners capital account make two parts, one is debit and another is credit. Particular Anand amount and Bharat amount. Next is particular Anand amount and Bharat amount, debit side and credit side. Same thing with partners current account, debit side, credit side, particular Anand Bharat. Fluctuating capital method, in fluctuating capital method we have to make only one account, that is partners capital account. So debit side, credit side, partners, particulars Anand Bharat, particulars Anand Bharat. In this format we have to make our accounts. Okay, so now we are going to start to solve our problem. So first, what they told, on 1/4/2019 the capital balance are Anand 60,000 and Bharat 30,000. Okay, so capital, so this is the capital of partners, so that's why this is a earning of capital, that's why this is a we are writing to credit side. Credit side means what comes in and debit side means what goes out. Okay, so comes in means they are investing that capital in a business and they are getting something more than from that capital, so that's why we are writing here. So what we are writing here now, by balance brought down, that is 60,000 and 30,000. So write here Anand 60,000 and Bharat 30,000. Okay, next is the drawings are rupees 12,000 and rupees 10,000. So now drawings, Where we are writing these drawings, that is we are writing in partner's current account. In partner's capital account, we are writing only capital account, capital balance and additional capital balance in capital account. And another transaction we are writing in partner's current account. So now here they are getting now there is a drawings of partner, that is 12,000 and 10,000. Okay, so now these drawings we are writing to debit side, because this amount they are taking from business for a personal purpose, and this amount they have to pay to again to business. So what is the amount of drawings? The amount of drawing is 12,000 and 10,000. So two drawing account, that is 12,000 and 10,000. So 12,000 and 10,000, that is the amount of drawings. Okay, now next is interest on drawings is 12% per annum. Okay, now we have to calculate the interest of drawings. Now here we have to do working note. So see, this is our working note. Interest on capital we'll see afterwards. Now interest on drawings. Okay, interest on drawing. Anand's drawing is 12,000 and on this drawing he have to pay 12% per annum. Okay, next Bharat's drawing is 10,000 and there is a 12% per annum. But listen, in this problem there is a date is not given for a drawings, means when they took amount from business for a personal purpose, that date is not given. So if the date is not given, that time you have to take 6 month duration. Okay, so date is not given, so take 6 month duration. So we have to we are calculating interest for 6 months. Okay, so Anand's drawing is 12,000, so 12% per annum, so into 6 divided by 12, because 6 month we are calculating here. So do your calculation, then you are getting this amount, that is 720. Okay, same thing with Bharat, 10,000 drawing of Bharat. So on that 10,000, 12% per annum. So see what amount will come as per 12% per annum. So what amount will come for a 12 month divided by 2. Okay, why 2? Because this is for 12 month, we want for 6 month. Okay, in this format also you can do, and in that format also you can do. So now 12 upon 100, because 12% per annum, and the next we are calculating for a 6 month, so that's why we are taking here 6 divided by 12. So after that we are getting 600 here. So now interest on drawing is 720 and 600. Okay, so 2 interest on drawing is 720 and 600. Done. Next is Anand gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month and Bharat is entitled to get commission at 3% on net sales. Okay, which sale is rupees 5 lakh. So first we are doing looking to Anand. Okay, Anand gets salary of rupees 2500 per month. So we are doing this accounts for 12 months for a year. Okay, so that's why working note is here. See, Anand 2500 per month into 12 month, okay, is equal to 30,000. So Anand gets 30,000 yearly. So here we are writing 30,000 in Anand's account. Okay, so what we are writing here? By salary account, that is 30,000 we are writing in Anand's column. In Bharat column there is a dash. Okay, next Bharat is getting commission 3% on net sales, and the net sale is 5 lakh. So see commission to, there is a Anand, no, but there is a Bharat. Okay, commission to Bharat. We are charging this 3% commission on net sales, that is a 5 lakh. So 5 lakh into 3 upon 100, 3% we are charging, that commission is coming 15,000. So this commission we are writing to by commission account. Okay, this commission is 15,000 to Bharat. In Anand's column there is a dash. Okay, so the next is, see, the firm. The firm profit is rupees 60,000. Okay, the firm is getting profit of rupees 60,000. Now we have to divide this 60,000 in Anand and Bharat as per the ratio, and the ratio is 2:3. So the 60,000 is a profit. Now we are doing this working note. Okay, see, distribution of profit is rupees 60,000, that is 2:3 profit sharing ratio. See, 60,000 2:3, so 2 plus 3 is 5, means we have to calculate total for 5. Okay, total ratio is 5. So 60,000 divided 5 divided by 5, the what amount will come? 12,000. So 12,000 is for a 1 ratio. Okay, so 12,000 for 1 ratio. So there is a 2:3 ratio. So that ratio is there, na? So 2 is there. So 12,000 into 2. So the 24,000 for Anand and 12,000 into 3. Bharat's ratio is 3. So Bharat get 36,000. Okay, so Anand get 24,000 and Bharat get 36,000. Now we are writing here by profit and loss account, amount is 24,000 and 36,000. 24,000 and 30. No, listen, sorry. 24,000 for Anand and Bharat 36,000. Okay. Now all transaction is done. Now what we are doing here? We are doing here totaling. Okay, so now you do here totaling. Now students, all of you know how to do close your accounts. Okay, this is a 60,000, there is a 30,000. So same we are writing here because there is a no amount and this amount is only big. Okay, and there is a no amount, that's why there is a no difference, so directly write here 60,000 and 30,000, that is a 2 balance carried down. Okay, now this balance is only going to brought down to next year or carried down to next year. This is only going to brought down to next year, so that's why I can write here 60,000 for next year and 30,000 for next year. So now here next year's accounts is going to continue. Okay, next same thing with partner's current account. Close these accounts also. Now do the totaling of these accounts. Okay, and which total is more, write these totals to these two accounts. See, 36,000 plus 15,000, what amount will come? 35 plus 15, 30, 40, 45, 50, 50, 1,000. Here also 50, 1,000. Okay, there is a 16,000, so 51,000 minus 16,000. See what amount will come and write that amount here. Same thing with here, same thing here. 30,000 plus 24,000, 54,000. Here is also 54,000. See what total of this? 12,720. This total minus from this total and write here. And what we are writing here? 2 balance carried down, and this balance only write here by balance brought down, that amount will come here. Okay, now there is a next is fluctuating capital method. In this method, what we are doing here, we are combining the partner's capital method and partner's current account. Okay, both account we are combined here and we are writing in only one account. Okay, so see, in fluctuating capital method, how we are solving this problem. See, 2:3 is ratio, Anand and Bharat, and the amount is Anand 60,000 and 30,000. So capital balance, how we are writing? By balance brought down, that is 60,000 and 30,000. Okay, next is drawings are 12,000 and 10,000. Okay, so we are writing our drawings are here. 2 drawings account 12,000 and 10,000. Next, interest on drawings. 2 interest on drawings, we are writing here 720, and next is 600. We are calculating almost. Next is Anand gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month, and Bharat is entitled to get commission at 3% on net sales, which is rupees 5 lakh. This thing also we done here. We calculated we did working note here. So what Anand getting? Salary. So by salary account, how much Anand is getting? 30,000. Here dash, because Bharat is not getting salary, and by commission account, who is getting commission? Bharat. So Anand is dash. Bharat is getting 15,000 commission. Okay, Next is the firm profit is rupees 60,000. Okay, so firm profit is how much it is? 50,000. So by profit and loss account, by I am writing here P&L account because space is not there. You write proper profit and loss account. The amount is 24,000 and 36,000 respectively. Okay, and now do the total of these things. See, here we made two accounts. Here we made only one account. Okay, in this method we made partners capital account separately. In this method we made capital account and partners current account combined. Okay, so here also now we have to do closing of our account. So what we are doing here, do the total of this. Okay, 30,000 plus 36,000 is 66,000. 66,000 and 10,000, 76,000. 76,000 plus 5,000 is 81,000. Same thing here because this amount is big. Next, 60,000, 30,000, 90,000, 90,000 and 24,000. 90,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh and 40,000, 1 lakh 14,000. Write this amount here, 1 lakh 14,000. Okay, now do this total 12,720 minus from this amount and write here to balance carried down. Same thing, 10,600 minus from 81,000 and write here, and again then this to balance carried down right here by balance brought down, and again this amount right here. Okay, so this is our first problem, students. As per this first problem, solve your next problem. Students solve problem number 2, 3 and 4. If you have any problem or any confusion, you can ask me anytime. Okay, thank you.